Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Don't let the slick city look of this Trax fool you. There's plenty of room for cargo and people with a variety of seating configurations. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Chevrolet MyLink voice activation, aluminum wheels, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection calls it a smart package for city dwellers who value practicality over power or style. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.